Hello children, today we are trying to learn articles. The articles are a and the. A or an and the are called articles. A is used with words beginning with consonant sound. A refers to a single. What is consonant sound? Consonant sound beginning with B, C, D, E, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's go to the practice. Use of article A. A bat, a rat, a leg, a net, a dog, a pen, a book, a kite. Use of article an. The article an is used with word beginning with a vowel sound. The vowel sound is A, E, I, O, U. Let's go to the practice. An aeroplane, an apple, an ant, an umbrella, an inkpot, an ox, an orange, an elephant. Use of article the. The article the is used before singular, plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Let's go to the practice. The books, the hats, the kites, the orange, the eagles, the boys, the girls, the elephants, the roses, the sky, the moon, the star, the earth, the Bible. Let's go for next level. Write which article we use. Fill in the blanks. An aeroplane, the moon, an umbrella, an ant, a book, a pen, the sun, a hen, an egg. Let's go for next level. A dog, an elephant, the house, an orange, the balls, an engine, a man, an egg, a tree, an oval. I think you understand the articles. If you like the video, please subscribe. We meet at next video. Bye bye.